Welcome to another edition of the LiftMaster Road to the Mastercard Memorial Cup. LiftMaster, the official garage door opener of the Canadian Hockey League. All three leagues wrapped up round 2 on Tuesday night. Let's take a look at the action, starting with the QMJHL 2 series were decided on Tuesday night as Chicoutimi's Olivier Galipeau scored his second of the night. This one a series clinching winner as Ryan Naranda is upset on home ice. Meanwhile, the Armada took Game 7 over the Titan after falling behind 3-1 in that series. Elsewhere, St. John and Charlottetown both swept by their opponents late last week, and so the Final Four sets up like this. St. John hosts Chicoutimi, while the Armada and Islanders go head-to-head. Both series begin on Friday. The Ontario Hockey League had some overtime dramatics of its own as Warren Fogle drives to the net and knocks this game winner and series clinching goal in for the Erie Otters as they knock out the London Knights. With the win, Erie advances to the Final Four along with Owen Sound, Mississauga, and Peterborough. The conference championships begin Thursday night as the Petes host the Steelheads in the East, while Erie and Owen Sound are set for their battle in the West. And in the WHL, Game 7 in the Battle of Alberta went into overtime and Tyler Wong scores his second of the night. This one an overtime shorthanded goal that clinched the series as Lethbridge knocks off Medicine Hat. With the win, the Hurricanes advance to the conference finals. The rest of round 2 wrapped up as well as on Monday night Regina came back from a 3-1 deficit over Swift Current, while Seattle swept Everett and Kelowna pulled past Portland. The conference finals are all set with Kelowna and Seattle facing off in the West and Lethbridge up against Regina in the East. Series get going on Friday night. Make sure you check back every week for another LiftMaster Road to the Mastercard Memorial Cup as we set you up with a recap of all the games across the Canadian Hockey League. LiftMaster, the official garage door opener of the Canadian Hockey League.